Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how we can clean up our PC and remove all viruses and malwares in your PC without antivirus. Let's start. First search for dsig cleanup, this one, Windows C. Select all as recycle bin temporary files. You see, total amount of disk space you gain 241 megabytes. Okay, yes, again, disk cleanup. This time, disk E. Okay. Select all 78 megabyte. Okay. Delete files. Okay. Again, this cleanup. This time select volume D. Okay. There is nothing. Great. Then press Windows and R. Search for temp. Just Ctrl I and delete. Do this for all. Continue. Okay. Good. This time Windows and R. Percent temp. Okay. Ctrl I. Delete. Continue. Then Windows R. Prefetch. Okay. Continue. Ctrl A. Delete. Okay. Then Windows and R. Search for recent. Okay. Ctrl A. Delete. Good. Now Windows and R. MRT. Okay. Yes. Welcome to Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Just next. Here we have three options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan. For example, I selected quick scan. Next.